this is quality data. This is actually something that we had during the trial. Total harmonic distortion percentage and high zero sequence components in the current signal. This indicates a grounding issue. So essentially what we did is we dispatched an electrician who said there's a grounding issue. He carried out a mega test on site and he said, yeah, there's definitely a problem. So it was isolated, but this is the important thing. It was isolated before that problem occurred and developed into a full catastrophic failure. So the equipment hadn't failed at that point, it was going to fail. So by turning it off and putting it onto standby and basically telling everybody what had happened, we still maintained consent because that pump was available to run. If it had needed to be run, somebody could have gone down, put it back into auto and run that pump. So that maintained consent, which is a really big thing.